Hello, I'm Debbie, and this is Moxa Industrial Wireless, here today to introduce to you our new line of vibration-resistant wireless APs. Intense vibration is found in applications like factory automation, public transportation, or heavy industries. To counter the threat of intense vibration, Moxa's new line of wireless 3-in-1 AP bridge clients combines the original benefits like the 802.11 ABGN standard compatibility and turbo roaming under 100 milliseconds. All of this packaged with the rugged M12 connectors. Now, with the screw-on and lock mechanism, the M12 connectors will firmly secure all of your devices in place even under extreme vibration. Now let's see how Moxa's wireless M12 series fare under conditions with intense vibration from different directions. We first tested our device with horizontal vibration. We then tested our device with vertical vibration. Now, as you see in both demos, regardless of the intensity level or the directionality, the cables and antennas stayed firmly attached to the device. I'm Debbie for Moxa Industrial Wireless. Thank you for watching.